Hey everyone, welcome back. I am really glad you are here today. My name is Jenny, and this is Speak and Learn with Jennie. If you are new here, this is the place for you. We learn English together through simple, real, everyday stories. Today, I want to take you through my day, from the moment I wake up to the moment I close my eyes at night. As you listen to my story, you will pick up new words, new phrases, and natural English. So find a comfortable spot, take a deep breath, and let's get into it. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm goes off. I open my eyes. I stretch. I yawn. The sun is coming through the window. It is a beautiful morning. I say to myself, "Good morning, Jennie. Today is going to be a good day." I get up and go straight to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It's so cold, but it wakes me up immediately. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I smile and say to myself, "Okay, I am ready for the day."
By 7:30, I am in the kitchen. I make toast and eggs and, of course, my coffee. Oh, the coffee smells so good. I sit at my little table by the window. I eat slowly. No rush. Outside, I can see the trees and the sky. It is so quiet and calm. Honestly, this is my favorite part of the morning. After breakfast, around 8:15, I go back to my room to get dressed. I stand in front of my wardrobe. What should I wear today? I pick a blue shirt and black pants. Simple but nice. I brush my hair. I grab my bag, my phone, my keys. By 8:45, I am out the door. I walk to work every morning. My office is not far from home. I put my headphones in. I listen to my favorite music. The air is fresh. The streets are quiet. I love this walk. It is my little peaceful moment before the busy day begins. I arrive at the office at 9 o'clock exactly. At work, I sit at my desk. I check my emails. I answer messages. I have a meeting at 10:30. My colleagues are really nice. We laugh, we talk, we help each other. Work is not always easy, but I really like my job. Before I know it, it is 1 o'clock, lunchtime. I go outside for lunch. There is a bench near the office, right under a big tree. I love eating there. I have a sandwich and some water. I sit there for about 30 minutes, just watching people walk by. Kids, couples, old men with their dogs. It is the little things, you know? At 5 o'clock, I finish work. I walk back home. I get home around 5:15. I drop my bag on the sofa. I kick off my shoes. Home sweet home. Best feeling ever. Around 6, I make dinner. Tonight, I make pasta with tomato sauce. Simple, easy, and very delicious. I eat on my sofa at 6:30. Just me, my pasta, and my favorite show. Perfect evening. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I grab my book and relax on the sofa. It is so quiet in my apartment, but I love it. By 10 o'clock, I am in my bed. I turn off the lamp. The room is dark and cool. I close my eyes and I think about my day. The morning coffee,
The walk to work, the bench under the tree, the pasta, the quiet evening. Nothing big happened today. Just a normal day. But honestly, those are my favorite kinds of days. Good night, everyone. And that was my day. Just a simple, ordinary day. But I hope you enjoyed being part of it. And hey, if you are learning English right now, I want you to know something. You are doing amazing. It is not always easy. Learning a new language takes time. It takes patience. And it takes courage. But the fact that you are here, listening, trying, that already makes you incredible. Keep going. Do not give up. Every single day, you are getting better, even when it does not feel like it. I believe in you. If you enjoyed today's story, please give it a like. It really helps this channel grow. And if you want to hear more stories like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a new story. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now, friends.